In this video, we will introduce you to the basic functions of the Speedcut imposition mode. You will learn how to impose and save a print sheet, how to create a cutting program, and how to transfer it to the paper guillotines the 56 and the 68. Let's get started. First, open Speedcut. In the top left corner, you'll find the imposition mode, which is usually selected by default. Next, click on Open PDF and select the file you'd like to process or impose. Now click on Profiles in the toolbar on the left. The menu will now open on the right. Under Choose Profile, select the desired profile. The corresponding print sheet will be selected automatically. Several predefined profiles are already available. Now select whether the sheet should be set up in portrait or landscape format. The imposition section cannot be changed. The data is automatically taken from the source PDF. Next to columns X and rows Y, enter the desired number of items. To arrange the maximum number of copies of your file on the print sheet, click the Maximize button. If desired, you can increase the spacing between items under Intermediate Cut, for example, to create visible separation between them. Then scroll all the way down and click Apply plus Preview. Your print sheet will now be displayed. You can save it using Save PDF Page if you've created a single-sided print sheet, or Save PDF All if you've created a double-sided sheet. Next, we'll create the cutting program. Click Run in the top right corner of the toolbar. The cutting program is now generated automatically. Would you like to check the cutting program in advance? No problem. Simply go to Simulator in the left sidebar. Using the back and next buttons at the top center, you can go through the program step by step. At the bottom, you'll see all the steps laid out clearly. Here, you can adjust the parameters for each step, such as clamping pressure and back gauge speed. Just click on the respective field and modify the values. If you want the paper to be automatically ejected after the cut, tick the Eject box. Once you're satisfied with the cutting program, close the simulator by clicking the X icon at the top right corner of the menu bar. Are you satisfied with your cutting program? Now you can transfer it to the cutting machines, the 56 and the 68. There are two ways to transfer the final cutting program to the machine. Please note that a full version of the software is required for this step, as the key functions Save Program and QR Code are not visible in the free demo version. Option 1. USB Stick. Connect a USB stick to your device and click on Save Program. Save the file to the USB stick. Then connect the USB stick to your cutting machine and the cutting program will be loaded. Option 2. QR Code. Select QR Code from the toolbar at the top right. A new window will open with a preview of the cover page displaying the QR code. We recommend setting the pixel size of the QR code as large as possible. You can adjust this using the slider in the bar to the left of the preview. Simply drag the slider to the right to increase the size. In the same bar, you can also set the paper output format. Once you're happy with your settings, print the cover page. Scan the QR code on the cover page directly on the cutting machine, and the cutting program will load automatically.
Goodbye and best of luck with your cutting projects.